Greetings from Indian Journal of Anesthesia. Today we will discuss an interesting case series published as letter to editor in the February issue of Indian Journal of Anesthesia. The title of the case series is Quadroiliac Plain Block, that is QIPB, in lumbar stabilization surgeries, a case series. Lumbar discectomies are widely performed surgical procedures aimed at alleviating pain and neurological symptoms caused by lumbar disc herniation. These surgeries, often involving multiple levels of the spine, are essential for patients suffering from significant spinal pathology. However, despite routine procedures, effective postoperative pain management remains a persistent challenge in ensuring optimal patient outcomes and satisfaction. The authors discuss a case series of 5 patients with novel regional anesthesia techniques, the quadroiliac plain block QIPB, which has shown promising results in managing postoperative pain in patients undergoing lumbar spinal surgeries. Tugler et al. Described this novel facial plain block, which targets the posterior aspect of quadratus lumborum muscle at its attachment to the inner surface of iliac crest. The block was performed before transitioning patients from the prone to supine position, making it a practical option during lumbar stabilization procedures such as multi-level discectomies. All patients were operated under general anesthesia with similar doses of anesthetic drugs, that is IV midazolam, fentanyl, propofol, rocuronium for induction, remifentanil infusion, and sevoflurane with oxygen air mixture for maintenance. Each patient received a bilateral application of 100 milligrams of 0.25% bupivacaine as a part of QIPB, that is 20 ml per side. The perioperative analgesic regimen was standardized across all patients, consisting of 100 milligrams tramadol, 1 gram paracetamol, and 50 milligrams dexketoprofen administered intravenously 20 minutes before the block procedure. So this is the sonoanatomy of QIPB, where we can see the quadratus lumborum muscle, whose inner aspect is being targeted with the needle, and where the muscle is getting inserted over the inner aspect of the iliac crest, and we can see the drug deposition over here. The postoperative pain scores were measured as outcome measures using visual analog scale at rest and during movement at 0, 1, 6, 12, and 24 hours postoperatively. 50 milligrams dexketoprofen was administered as rescue analgesia for patients with VAS scores of 4 or above. So these were the patient demographics, and as a result, we can see that QIPB provided substantial pain relief in the early postoperative period, depicted in the form of postoperative pain relief up to 16 hours, where 100 milligrams of IV tramadol was given. These are the VAS scores at rest and movement. Notably, none of the patient required rescue analgesia within the first 12 hours postoperatively. However, 3 patients did require 100 milligrams of tramadol at 16-hour mark, indicating that while QIPB was effective in the early postoperative period, additional analgesic support was needed as the block's effect began to wane. Therefore, this novel facial plain block targets the posterior aspect of the quadratus lumborum muscle at its attachment to the inner surface of the iliac crest, which allows for effective coverage of the lower lumbar nerves, offering localized pain relief that is particularly beneficial for surgeries involving multiple levels. In conclusion, QIPB shows promise in improving patient recovery, reducing the need for opioid analgesics, and enhancing overall postoperative satisfaction. Thank you.